English speaking class.
Hello, is this the beginner English speaking class?
Hi. Yes, it is. Please come in and choose a seat.
Thank you. I feel a little nervous today.
That is okay. Many students feel nervous before speaking.
I can read simple sentences, but speaking is harder.
We will practice slowly. You do not need perfect English.
That makes me feel better.
Good. Today, we will practice short introductions.
Like saying my name and where I am from.
Exactly. You can say, "My name is Tom. I am from this city."
My name is Tom. I am from this city.
Very good. Now add one thing you like.
I like football and simple English stories.
Nice sentence. Try to speak a little louder.
Okay, I like football and simple English stories.
Much better. Your voice is clear now.
Sometimes I forget words when people look at me.
Then pause and breathe. You can say, "Let me think."
Let me think. That phrase is useful.
Yes, it gives you time.
What should I say if I do not understand a question?
You can say, "Could you repeat that, please?"
Could you repeat that, please?
Perfect. Also, you can say, "Can you speak more slowly?"
Can you speak more slowly?
Great. These are polite and natural phrases.
I want to sound more confident.
Confidence comes with practice.
So I should speak even when I make mistakes.
Yes, mistakes are part of learning.
I like that idea.
Good. Now let us try a short question and answer.
I am ready.
What do you usually do after class?
I usually go home, drink tea, and review my notes.
Excellent. That is a full answer.
This class already feels easier than I expected.
I am glad to hear that. Keep speaking and you will improve.
Fast food.
Hi, can I order here?
Yes, please. What would you like today?
I want something simple but not too heavy.
The chicken sandwich meal is popular.
Is the chicken grilled or fried?
It is grilled. We also have a fried chicken burger.
I will take the grilled chicken sandwich meal, please.
Good choice. What size drink would you like?
Medium, please.
Sure. Would you like cola, lemonade, or water?
Lemonade sounds good.
Okay, one medium lemonade. Do you want fries or a small salad?
Fries, please. Can I get ketchup with them?
Of course. Ketchup is free.
Great. Do you have any sauce for the sandwich?
We have mayo, barbecue sauce, and spicy sauce.
Just mayo, please. I do not want it spicy.
Okay, anything else for you?
Do you have apple pie?
Yes, it is warm.
I will add one.
So that is one grilled chicken sandwich meal, medium lemonade, fries, ketchup, mayo, and one apple pie.
Yes, that is correct.
Would you like to eat here or take it away?
I will eat here.
All right, your total is $8.90.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, please tap your card here.
Done.
Thank you. Here is your receipt. Your order number is 24.
Where should I wait?
Please wait near the pickup counter on your right.
How long will it take?
About 5 minutes. The sandwich is being prepared now.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Passport control.
Next, please. Passport, please.
Hello. Here is my passport.
Thank you. What is the purpose of your visit?
Tourism. I am here for a short holiday.
How long will you stay?
4 days.
Where will you stay during your visit?
At the River Park Hotel near the city center.
Do you have the hotel address?
Yes, it is in my phone. May I show it to you?
Yes, please show me the address.
Here it is.
Thank you. Are you traveling alone?
Yes, I am traveling alone.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, I fly back on Sunday evening.
Good. What do you plan to do here?
I want to see the museum and try local food.
That sounds nice. Are you carrying any food or plants?
No, only clothes and personal items.
How much cash are you carrying?
About $300 and a credit card.
All right. Please look at the camera.
Okay.
Now place your right hand on the scanner.
Like this?
Yes, that is fine. Please wait a moment.
Sure.
Everything looks okay.
That is good to hear.
Here is your passport back.
Thank you very much.
Welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Next, please.
Tennis court reservation.
Excuse me, I would like to reserve a tennis court.
Certainly. What day would you like to play?
This Saturday morning, if there is a free time.
Let me check the schedule. We have 9 o'clock or 11 o'clock.
9 o'clock is better for me.
Great. How long do you want the court?
1 hour, please.
All right. Court 2 is free from 9 to 10.
Is court 2 outside or inside?
It is outside.
That sounds nice. Do I need to bring my own racket?
You can bring your own or you can rent one here.
I need to rent one. How much is it?
A racket is $3 for 1 hour.
Okay, I will rent one racket.
Do you also need tennis balls?
Yes, please. I do not have any.
A small can of balls is $4.
That is fine.
May I have your name for the reservation?
My name is Tom Miller.
Thank you, Mr. Miller. Do you have a phone number?
Yes, it is 444-0909.
Got it. The court fee is $12 for 1 hour.
So, with the racket and balls, how much is the total?
$19 in total.
Can I pay now?
Yes, you can pay now or you can pay on Saturday.
I will pay now, please.
Card or cash?
Card, please.
Please insert your card. Perfect. Your reservation is ready.
Thank you. Should I come early?
Please arrive 10 minutes early to pick up the racket.
I will. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your game on Saturday.
Grocery list at home.
Tom, the fridge is almost empty.
Really? I thought we still had some food.
We have eggs and 1 small tomato, but not much else.
Then we need a grocery list before we go shopping.
Yes, let us write it now, so we do not forget anything.
Good idea. First, we need bread.
Bread, yes. We also need rice.
Do we have milk?
Only a little. Add milk to the list.
Okay. Bread, rice, milk. What about vegetables?
We need potatoes, carrots, onions, and lettuce.
That is a lot, but useful.
Exactly. We can make soup or salad.
Do we need fruit?
Yes. Apples and bananas are easy for breakfast.
I will add apples and bananas.
Please add yogurt, too.
Plain yogurt or fruit yogurt?
Plain yogurt. It is better for cooking and breakfast.
Good point. Do we need coffee?
We have coffee, but we need tea.
Tea is on the list.
What about pasta?
We have 1 box of pasta, but no sauce.
Then add tomato sauce.
Done. Do we need anything for cleaning?
Dish soap is almost finished.
I will add dish soap.
Great. Let us check the list again.
Bread, milk, rice, potatoes, carrots, onions, lettuce, apples, bananas, yogurt, tea, sauce, and dish soap.
That sounds complete.
Should we buy snacks?
Maybe just 1 bag of crackers. Nothing too much.
All right, 1 bag of crackers.
Perfect. Now we can go to the store with a clear list.
And we will not buy 10 things we do not need.
Exactly. That is why a list helps.
Art gallery visit.
This art gallery is quieter than I expected.
Yes, it feels calm. I like the soft lights.
The paintings are very colorful.
Look at this one. It shows a small house by the sea.
I like the blue water and the yellow sky.
The colors are not very real, but they feel warm.
Do you think the artist wanted to show a dream?
Maybe. Art does not always need one clear answer.
That is true. I usually ask, what does it mean?
I ask, how does it make me feel?
This one makes me feel peaceful.
Then it is working for you.
Let us look at the next painting.
This one is very different. It has people walking in the rain.
The street looks busy, but the people look lonely.
Good observation. Their faces are not clear.
Maybe the artist wants us to imagine their stories.
I like that idea.
There is a small card beside the painting.
It says, Rainy Evening, painted in 2018.
The title fits the picture well.
Do you want to take a photo?
Is it allowed?
The sign says photos are allowed, but no flash.
Then I will take one without flash.
Good. The next room has modern art.
Modern art is sometimes hard for me.
Same for me, but we can still enjoy the shapes and colors.
That makes it easier.
We do not need every answer.
I am glad we came here today.
Me too. It is a good way to spend a quiet afternoon.
After this room, maybe we can visit the gift shop.
Sure, we can look at postcards, but we do not need to buy anything.
Shoe store problem.
Excuse me, I bought these shoes yesterday, but there is a problem.
I am sorry to hear that. What is wrong with them?
The left shoe feels tight and the right shoe feels normal.
I see. Did you wear them outside?
No, I only tried them at home on the carpet.
That is helpful. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Let me check it. You bought size 42, correct?
Yes, but maybe I need a wider size.
We have the same model in a wide fit.
That might be better.
Would you like to try the wide fit now?
Yes, please.
I will bring size 42 wide and size 43 just in case.
Thank you. I can wait here.
Here you are. Please try the wide pair first.
This feels much better.
Walk a few steps and check the heel.
The heel is comfortable. My toes have more space too.
Good. Do you want to exchange them for this pair?
Yes, I think this pair is right.
Okay, the price is the same, so there is no extra charge.
That is great.
I will put the first pair back in the box and prepare the exchange.
Thank you for making this easy.
You're welcome. Shoes must feel comfortable.
I agree. Tight shoes can ruin the whole day.
Exactly. Here is your new receipt.
Do I need to keep it?
Yes, please keep it for a few days.
I will. Thanks again.
My pleasure. Have a comfortable walk.
Computer help at work.
Emma, do you have a minute? My computer is acting strange.
Sure. What is happening?
The screen freezes when I open the report file.
Does it happen with every file or only that report?
Only that report, I think.
Okay, first, save any open work.
I saved my email draft, but the report is not open now.
Good. Let us restart the program, not the whole computer yet.
All right, I will close it and open it again.
Wait a second. Is your internet connection stable?
The Wi-Fi symbol looks fine.
Good. Now open the report from the shared folder.
It is opening slowly.
That file may be large. How many pages are in it?
Around 50 pages with many pictures.
That explains it. Large pictures can make the file slow.
Is there a way to make it faster?
Yes, we can copy the file to your desktop first.
Will that change the original file?
No, it will only make a copy.
Okay, let us try that.
Right-click, choose Copy, then paste it on the desktop.
Done. Now I will open the copy.
Is it faster?
Yes, much faster now.
Great. After you finish editing, upload the final version back to the shared folder.
I understand.
Also, do not open many large files at the same time.
That may be my problem. I had 3 reports open this morning.
That can slow the computer down.
Thanks. I was worried I broke something.
No, nothing is broken. It was just a large file.
Good. I can continue my work now.
Great. Call me if it freezes again.
Park bench conversation.
Excuse me, is anyone sitting on this side of the bench?
No, it is free. You can sit here.
Thank you. I have walked for almost an hour.
Then you need a rest. It is a nice day for a walk.
Yes, the weather is perfect.
I come to this park when I want a quiet break.
It is peaceful here. I can hear birds, not traffic.
The trees block most of the street noise.
Do you come here often?
2 or 3 times a week, usually after work.
That's a good habit.
It helps me clear my mind.
I understand. I spend too much time inside.
A short walk can make a big difference.
I agree. Today I wanted fresh air, so I left my phone in my bag.
That is smart. Phones can be noisy.
Yes, I needed a quiet hour.
Sometimes I bring a book and read on this bench.
That sounds relaxing.
Today, I just wanted to watch people walk by.
There are families, runners, and people with dogs.
That small dog looks happy.
It keeps jumping near the fountain.
Simple things can make a day better.
That is true. This short rest already feels good.
Are you new to this area?
Yes, I moved here last month.
Welcome. This park is one of the best places nearby.
I can see why. I will come back often.
Enjoy the rest of your walk.
Thank you. Enjoy your quiet afternoon.
Planning a short trip.
Tom, do you still want to take a short trip next few weeks?
Yes, I do. A 2-day trip would be perfect.
Good. We need a place that is not too far.
Maybe a lake town?
That sounds relaxing. How long does it take to get there?
About 3 hours by train.
That is easy. We can leave on Saturday morning.
And come back on Sunday evening.
Exactly. We do not need to take a day off work.
What can we do there?
We can walk by the lake and try a local cafe.
I'd like that plan. Nothing too busy.
Yes, I want a calm trip, not a full schedule.
We should check hotels soon.
I found a small guest house online. It has good reviews.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is included and the station is close.
That is helpful. We can walk from the station.
The price is not bad either.
How much is one night?
About $60 for a double room.
That sounds fair.
Should we book it now or wait?
Let us book it now. Small places can fill up quickly.
Good point. What should we pack?
Comfortable shoes, light jackets, and a small bag.
Also chargers and sunglasses.
Right. I always forget my charger.
I will write a small packing list.
Great. This trip already sounds nice.
I think it will be a good break.
Me too. A short trip can feel like a big holiday.
Then it is decided. Lake Town, one night next month.
Perfect. I am already looking forward to it.
If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. For more slow and easy English videos, subscribe to the Learn English with Daniel channel and turn on notifications. I'll be back soon with a new story.